Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I share with you how I prepare delicious Nigerian stewed beans. Exactly what you see on the screen. Super soft, no heartburn. When you use the method I will show you in this video. So keep watching and don't go away. Let's dive into it, everyone. So to begin, I need 4 cups of honey beans, already selected. All stones, all particles not needed in these beans is selected off camera. Do the same with yours. You could use any other beans if you don't have honey beans. Next, I'll have scotch bonnet pepper. I have 4 bulbs of onions, 1 fresh mackerel fish, 2 tablespoonfuls of blended crayfish or prawns, palm oil, salt to taste. So here the beans is washed off camera. Next, I will transfer it into a pressure pot and allow to cook for 40 to 50 minutes. Depending on what you're using. If you're using normal pots, cook for up to 1 hour 30 minutes. So while that is aside, here is my onions already cut to a desirable shape, and next thing I do is to transfer into a clean blender with the scotch bonnet pepper and add half cup of water and blend smooth. After blending, I set it aside. Next, I have my mackerel fish. To marinate, I add half teaspoon of seasoning, half teaspoon of blended dry pepper and garlic together. Next, I will add 1 teaspoonful of soy sauce and mix then and grill it. You could decide to fry yours, but in this recipe, I chose to grill. Keep watching. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Watch and see how I prepare delicious stewed beans. No heartburn, that I can promise you if you follow the same method. So while that is on grill, here is our pepper and onions. Next, I will add my palm oil. It's already in the pot and on a medium flame. So after adding my palm oil, I will go ahead and continue to stir this on a medium flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you notice the stew begins to dry. Continue to stir and make sure it does not burn. And after stirring for another 10 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my crayfish and half teaspoon of seasoning and then continue to stir for 15 minutes. And after that, our stew is dried enough. It must dry like what you see on the screen. It is ready. Let's set it aside and go back to our beans. Here the beans is properly cooked. You notice how soft it looks. When you make your beans this soft and add some chopped onions while cooking it, makes you not to have heartburn. That I can promise you. Then next thing I do is to transfer it into a clean pot and begin to add the stew, already prepared stew, bit by bit, and then mix and allow to cook together on low flame for 10 minutes. After that, our stewed beans is ready. It will be going with fried plantain and grilled fish. That was done off camera. So tell me what you like about this method of preparing your stewed beans. Very simple, and it came out so soft and super delicious. Some like it with bread, Some like it with garri, some like it with plantain. The choice is yours. It's so presentable. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected, and see you all in the next video. And bye for now.